Hey guys, my name's Dane Dwyer with GR Building Systems, and we build styrofoam homes. So right here is 2-pound density EPS foam. We use that to build the whole structure of the building, and then we coat it with this, a high tensile strength mesh with a concrete composite. We use that to coat the whole outside and inside of the building, and that gives us an amazing structural value.
We have a expandable polystyrene core, okay? And then we'll do all of the grooving for the electric, we'll do the grooving for the plumbing, we'll place all the plumbing and electrical there, we'll cut out for the windows and the doors, and we'll put those in. We'll have an inspection, be a structural inspection and a plumbing and electrical inspection. After that, then we'll put on the mesh and the structural cement coating.
One of the amazing things about this system is you can do all kinds of things with the foam. You can do radiuses and curves. You can see this ceiling here. We did a tiered design with the ceiling, and in the kitchen right behind me, or right in front of me, you can see the barrel vaulted ceiling where we did a barrel vault on the ceiling. You can do all kinds of different shapes with the foam building system. One of my favorite parts about this custom house is we're able to build this nook. So in this guest bedroom, we have a nook, and the kids just love it. The kids love it. They get to play in there. It's almost like it's a fort. We built this on attached to the bedroom, and it's just been a blast.
Our material is a structural base coat that has enough polymer and resin into it that we can just waterproof this wall and then put thin set on, kind of a stone thin set is what they do here, and the tile will attach to it, and you've got a completely waterproof shower structure. I built this house with these two hands. I laid every tile here in the shower, I laid every tile on the floor, and here in the bedroom and the rest of the house, this is a hand-scraped hardwood floor that's scraped by prisoners in Georgia, and I glued down every piece of wood in this floor. The Venetian Plaster Company, I wanted a different color in the bedrooms, so I ordered some bags of this special color to them. They mixed it up wrong, so this first went on a really ugly green color. So we had to go back to the manufacturer and have them reformulate a formula that would take away that ugly green color, and now we have this chocolate brown color that at first I didn't like it, but after the bathroom was completed with all the beautiful granite countertops and the showers and stuff, I think that the color really worked out well. Another unique thing about this house is it was designed to be on a flat slab, okay? Well, what we realized was that this ground sloped a little bit, and working with Don Grebe, the famous architect, he said you should go to the property and let the land tell you how the house should be built. So what we did is the garage sits down a few feet, and then you come up to the main level of the house, the kitchen and the living and dining area, and then it stair steps up to the living room. So we have these 3 different terraces. The only concrete in this house, this is the pure building system, the macrotherm building system, with just a few variations that I developed with the GR building system. So this house, we put down a concrete footing all the way around the house. And then on top of that concrete footing, we came up with foam stem walls. And then on top of the foam stem walls, we did a foam floor throughout the whole house. And then on top of the foam floor, we went up with the foam walls and then put the foam lid on it. Then after that, of course, we did plumbing, electrical, all of the workings of that. But this is as close to the pure macrotherm building system as you can get. We wanted to put a fireplace in this, so we had just kind of an inset fireplace designed at first. But we were realizing that we could take the scraps of foam, like the bathroom we built, and we could glue them all together to get different structures and stuff. A friend of mine years ago by the name of Donald Grebe had patented and invented this system back in the 70s. He came up with the idea during the oil embargo of taking the styrofoam and coating it with a cement material to make a super strong, super energy efficient structure. This is what we have today, now taken and created a hybrid of this system, and now we're building houses and commercial buildings with it.